First and foremost, I'd like to thank our keynote speaker, APHIS Administrator Cindy Smith, for being here to kick off our program this morning. I also want to thank our moderator, Julian Piquet of the Hill newspaper, as well as our panelists, Dr. Nina Morano, Dr. John Albers, and Beth Johnson, who will be more fully introduced in a few minutes. Now, as you may know, or as many of you may know, AHI represents companies that make medicines for animals. These medicines range from cancer treatment for dogs to flea and tick preventatives to the only H1N1 vaccine for swine and everything in between. Our mission is really very simple: to improve the health and well-being of animals, and in doing so, we also protect and improve the health and well-being of humans. The response to H1N1 is a great example, we think, of working cooperatively to prevent disease at the nexus of human and animal health. As the pandemic emerged, it became clear a targeted vaccine was necessary, both for people and for animals. The federal government went to work with companies to quickly bring a human vaccine to market. At the same time, USDA collaborated with one of our member companies to make sure a vaccine for swine was quickly made available. And these vaccines helped arrest the spread and further mutation of the virus. Now, today's discussion is part of a larger education campaign, Healthy People, Healthy Animals, Healthy Planet, which we launched in order to engage stakeholders in the animal health, agriculture, and public health communities to elevate awareness of the connection between human and animal health. As part of this effort, we are working to fortify sustained and collaborative effort among animal health advocates, public health organizations, and regulatory and governing bodies to protect humans and animals and prevent disease transmission. We look forward this morning to a thoughtful and informative discussion, and we'll open it up to audience questions later in the program. Now, to kick things off, again, I'd like to introduce formally our keynote speaker, Cindy Smith, Administrator of USDA's Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, as you all know, APHIS. In this role, Ms. Smith carries out the agency's broad mission of protecting and promoting American agriculture, regulating genetically engineered organisms, administering the Animal Welfare Act, and carrying out wildlife damage management activities. And throughout her years at APHIS, she has gained diverse experience by supporting a number of different programs, including plant protection and quarantine, wildlife services, and biotechnology regulatory services. And she also made the great trek this morning after the storm last night from the Baltimore area to join us, so I'm especially